When you have a team of software professionals working together from different geographical locations, one of the main challenges that you see is the repeating human error in the process, technology, delivery, etc. This could be because of multiple reasons, like differences in the working environment and culture. Automation is not a way just to make process run faster, but also a way of communicating very precisely with others about how the task or process should be executed. Especially when working distributed, we make use of automation to solve the differences in environments. Often you can hear team members talk about this worked in my machine and environment, but I don't know what happened when I moved this code to another development environment. And in this case, they are not actually lying or telling something wrong. This actually worked in their environment. But when they shipped the code to a different location or environment, it did not work as expected because of the changes in the infrastructure or any other problems related to that. One way to solve this problem is to automate the infrastructure where the teams are working. Now, you have a stable and consistent infrastructure across different locations. New team members, existing developers, testers, or other people working in the team are now working with the same standards. This also eliminates location silos, like if the software is shipped from an offshore location, it still has to be verified or from the developers in on-site location or from a developer machine on-site to ensure quality and compliancy. Teams that have the automation culture share knowledge effectively compared to their counterparts. Process automation like building software, testing, etc. eliminates the problems with human errors, configuration drifts, communication misinterpretations, thus help them to focus more on feature development. Automation also helps in reducing manual dependencies on other processes like build, test, release, monitoring, etc., etc. This enforces adherence to team policies and practices like following specific coding guidelines, documentation of the public API, creating testable code, or ensuring code coverage. Any non-compliant changes are immediately denied without need for reverting changes and manual interventions. One of the main challenges of the distributed teams are the difficulties in onboarding a new team member to the team. It takes more time and effort for setting up the right infrastructure, giving permissions, understanding the coding guidelines and practices, setting up the code and testing knowledge, etc. With automation in place, these things are easily reproducible across different locations, and it makes it easier to scale distributed working. Apart from these benefits, it also provides with the capabilities of disaster recovery, which in this case can be easily recreated due to the availability of automation and everything as code policy. Also the flexibility to choose a cloud platform or local infrastructure based on the team or management decision, etc.